Okay, so you found hail damage on a roof, but you still need to get it bought by the insurance company. In this video, we're going to talk about why it's so vital to make sure that you are inspecting your soft metals for more evidence to get your roof spot. Let's get started. So if you're one of our subscribers coming back to watch this video, guys, thanks for coming back. We really appreciate all of our subscribers. If you're new to the channel, my name is Blenkinsopp. I'm the owner of a company called Digital Roofing Innovations. I'm a U.S. military veteran and licensed general contractor and roofing contractor in over 9 states. Currently in Denver, Colorado, I was invited by Skyguard. Skyguard's owned by Chase Barron and Sean Smith. They wanted me to come out, do some videos with them, and they wanted to show me this project they're on. Now, this project in particular was an insurance claim because of hail. And it's not just all of the flat roofing that also has to get installed and fixed. It's also the slope roofing, which I'll show you here in just a second. But this video, we're going to be talking about, again, inspecting soft metals to build your case for your insurance claim. All right, so why is it important to make sure that you inspect all your soft metals? Well, guys, as you know, whether we're talking about flat roofing or we're talking about a shingle like they have on here, which is Decker, which is a stone-coated steel shingle, or we're just talking about regular asphalt shingles. Sometimes hail can be a little deceiving, although that we've been properly trained on it and we know what to look for. Having other evidence to prove that it actually is hail always helps our case. And so I want to spend a little time talking about soft metals. Now, the reason soft metals are so great is, again, there's nothing coming over the top. Nothing is going to dent soft metals besides a hailstorm or possibly some vandalism or debris getting thrown through the air. And vandalism and debris being thrown through the air, a lot less likely. Then also, if you already have hail spots on your roofing system, being able to inspect soft metals like this is going to give you a huge advantage when you're dealing with your adjusters. Now, when you look at these, you want to also look at what size hail that's hit these. I'm going to show you a couple of examples on this roofing system. You can see the size of some of the hailstones that hit here in Denver. But if you come up here and if you're a contractor wanting to get a roof bought and all you see is small pea-sized hail, you may not be able to get the roof bought. There's obviously every insurance company has their own way of paying for it, and obviously you can argue, you know, just long-term damage of the roof based on hail. But if you have large hailstone hits in your soft metal, that obviously gives you a lot of firepower. However, if you see a lot of very small hail hits, you know what, it may not be the best time to actually file the claim, and it may not really be worth it because the insurance company may not buy the roof. All right, so let's go take a look at some of the other hail hits on some of these other soft metals. But as you can see on the roof, there's a lot of hail hits they have here, and there's a ton of soft metal. I didn't show you all the spots that are soft metal on the roof, but I just wanted to show you some examples. And again, it's very, very important to make sure that you're documenting all this stuff prior to you getting the adjuster out there. Making sure that you have all this documented to build your case, because when you're doing these, you know, hail claim inspections, and when for that matter, remember, you're building a case to the insurance company on why exactly this roof needs to be bought. Guys, if you enjoyed the video and you got something out of it, please give us a thumbs up. It really helps out the channel. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, here is our official invitation to you. So if you'd like to see more from us, just hit that button down there for subscribe. And as always, at Digital Roofing Innovations, we believe in using a modern approach with traditional values. Have a great day.